This is my first experience on the Edge string pins, and I was highly impressed. I would love to compete in future PBA events on string pins. I really enjoyed my experience. I bowled pretty well too.
So I actually had a string center in my area. It was USBC certified ones, and after bowling on them, I don't have an issue with them being certified at all. So I think it's a positive change for most centers.
So when I first heard about string machines, it was probably about 2 years ago when they first came out, and that was well before the sanctioning side of things came out. I was pretty much against it at the time that it came out until I actually went and saw some of the machines and was able to bowl on them. This is obviously my second time bowling on the PBA event with the string machines, and I definitely would encourage other people to come do it, and I would definitely do it again.
They're fine. I enjoy bowling on them. They're definitely different. But not necessarily in a bad way, not necessarily in a good way. There's no different to me than bowling on, some different pins on different types of pin setters. There's different types of carry weight twister pins or anything else. It's kind of all the same, and at the end of the day, we're still battling against the oil that's on the lane and trying to create good ball motion to get there. So it's still bowling. Yes, I will participate in future PBA tournaments held on string machines. Yes.
To be quite honest, when I first started bowling on them, even practice, pro-am, if I wasn't really paying attention to them, I didn't even really notice the strings all that much until the pins fell down. Now that I've gotten to bowl on, a couple weeks now and getting a little practice on now the certification mode, my opinion has really changed. I would definitely bowl in events that had the certification edge string pins, and I really do think that it does have a place.
Experience was good. Today it was my first time ever being in a real competition on them. So it was, I've done a lot of testing on them before, but this is the first time that I've competed. And in all seriousness, I'm trying to score as high as I can. So I didn't see any real difference between free fall and what I experienced today.
So the last 2 weekends, we've bowled 2 regionals on string pins, one at my bowling center, one here at Foxview. It's been great. So as far as future PBA events on string machines, I'm just waiting for the day. As soon as it happens, I'm going to be there. I'm hoping we have more of these events next season, and the sooner the better we can get them on the national tour. I think it's going to be great.
I came in with a very open mind. I was not for or against string pin setters. After today, I would say I'm leaning way more towards it being a positive thing for our sport.
Yeah, the carry felt normal. After about 2 or 3 games into the 6-game block, I didn't even think about it being string pins anymore. It's just bowling, so it didn't detract at all from the experience.
But I think it's been a really good experience. I would have no hesitation participating in a PBA event using string pins again.